Guys, so today we're here in Bloxburg. So I'm now getting off this aircraft, and what is all of this? No, I have a soldier beside me. Oh, must be the president of Bloxburg. His name is Douglas, by the way. Hey, nice to meet you. It's been a rough time since we met. Yeah, it's been a rough time for them because I haven't I never told you this, but Bloxburg was on a huge war, and yeah, so many missiles showered down on Bloxburg that time. So yeah, handshake. Wait, handshake. Yeah, thank you for this warm welcoming, and this is such a nice aircraft, and I'm in an airfield. Okay. Let's go sign it. The Treaty of Coeptus. So many nations were involved in this war, and I don't want to go through one by one. Yeah, yeah, let's go. He seems to. Oh, he's typing. After that, we'll head to the military base and launch missiles towards Westbound. Oh yeah, that's one of the nations that declared war. It's war overnight. This is so bad. Like, good thing I wasn't involved in this mess. Like, that wasn't good for us. We should definitely do something about this thing. So I figured I should go to Bloxburg. Alright. So obviously other of my friend leaders are also going here and sign the peace treaty. I just add what's in here? Oh, cool. Different flags. This is all in all international. This must be it, the peace treaty. So the first leader was from those citizens. I remember visiting those citizens, but I didn't show you the part where I visited the palace because apparently my recorder wasn't recording at all. Funny, it's a screen recorder and he's giving me a pen. Thanks. I can't, bruh. I can't press it, bruh. What on earth? Wait, I'll just grab a pen from my inventory. Pen, ball pen. Yay! Time to write. I love writing actually. All right, let's use this ball pen. Sign some papers. Is he gonna do remarks or what? Have a pen. Thanks. That's a mid compliment there. Thanks. Like thanks. Alright. Oh, he placed a pen on my table for some reason. Does this pen actually do anything? Can I stab it on him? No, sorry, joke. That's a joke. Wait, why did I place the pen on the floor? Bruh. I I dropped my pen. Sumimasen, I dropped my pen. Sumimasen is polite. Alright, let's say I signed the paper. Hey, Mr. President Douglas Doglin or whatever. Douglas. Douglas. I signed the paper. Douglas, I signed the paper. All right. What else should we do? What I forgot. Most of my meetings here, I did speeches. Go have a speech of the podium. Won't you do it first? Won't you do it first? Won't you do it first since you're the leader of the host nation? Nation for this treaty. Won't you do it first though? I mean, I mean, I mean, you choose. I felt like I directly. Oh, you did yours yesterday. All right, all right. Uh, no idea. All in all, chaotic. I'm gonna start with something funny. Shout out to Devi PH. I'm gonna shout out to my collaborators in YouTube. Shout out to DVPH and shout out to man my co-YouTubers. Shout out to my co Oh wait, that. Come on, Roblox. Why did you tag that? I'm shout out. I got over 50 subs. 50 subs. Subs. This will be the funniest speech I ever made. I got what the I don't know what you will say after I upload it. I'm laughing behind cam. I'm laughing behind cam. I'm laughing behind cam. All right, let's give this speech a shot. So, um, I did present some heart melting speech or speeches that would make you cry. Okay, do not. Alrighty, time to get this serious. Time to be serious. So ask me question. Let us open forum. Is chaos good? If you ask me, no. But if you ask the facts, it's definitely a no. Why? Why? Because it stunts, or rather stagnant, because it shrinks the progress for the future. Like, will there be ever a future? No, okay. Me going silent while typing this whole thing is certainly boring. So, alright. So do they care about it? No. Why? No. Why? No. What? No. Why? Because he, OML my vid, OML my vids. He just know my vids. He just know my vids. Ain't no way. Alright. I'm trying to be funny about this. Trying to be funny about this because let's face it, we hate negative vibes about this because let's face it, we hate negative vibes. Yeah, at least I hate it. I hate it when, yeah, we hate negative vibes. We hate. Oh, he was? Oh, he was the leader of Row Citizens. Yeah. No, yeah, I apparently saw it in his post. Yeah, I also follow him. No way. He was? He was? I make what? It's so typical. I was in the other side of the planet, and then I was chilling in my own business, and y'all be like, grr, 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 grr. We hate each other. Oh, jeez. Times like this can be very rough, and I'm so blessed that I'm not in that kind of situation. At least not with the Roblox situation where Schlep. Oh, really? Roblox is getting ever more chaotic, and what's the best way to end it? I don't know. At least I don't know. Just living happily, playing Codem or other. Well, I mean, I'm touching grass nowadays as well, and I can't have a single time playing Roblox now. And it actually it's better off like this because I have to focus in real life. But why am I doing this still? Well, that's how I built my character right now. Free schlep. Free schlep. Why did I say that in court? Free schlep. I think I wanna end the video here. It's too long. 14 minutes. I'm ending the vlog. The the awkward vlog. It's over 14 minutes long. Actually, it's about to be long. Okay, end scene. Okay, end scene. Time to dance on top of the table. Time to remember. Subscribe! Okay. Okay, end scene. I don't care about these tags. Seriously?